parking garage at the University of Iowa. Looks like something, looks like Schumacher's. Oh damn, we just missed that one. Let's see, are these hydro or traction? I think it's the floor. Traction, I believe. Yeah, these are traction. Up to 5. These also have the new colorful kind of this. Oh, this is a new mod. Look, it's got the yes no. Damn! I just missed all of these. I bet I could have come in the time before and I would have seen it original. Like literally if I came here like any of the other drives I took, I would have seen them. And that bugs me. They are traction though. Alright, we'll go back down to 1. Oh, they don't show the speed on this one. That's weird. Why don't they show the speed on the new certificates? Oh, look, here shows the speed. 200 feet per minute, 2,500 pound capacity. Okay. Well, it's a shame those got modded. Would have liked to see whatever they were. Oh, they were Montgomery. Yeah, look at that. They were Montgomery. Anyway, that's it.